Are you getting a 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome? Here are a few fixes. 1. Clear Chrome app cache. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on General. Next, select the iPhone storage option. Scroll down and look for the option Chrome, then click on it. Here, tap on Offload app. After offloading, tap on Reinstall app. This will refresh the Chrome app without deleting your important data. 2. Set Chrome as the default browser. Open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. At the top, tap on the default app. Here, scroll down and click on Browser app. Select Chrome as the default browser. 3. Check your internet connection. Open the Settings app again. Here, tap on Wi-Fi. Select the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Tap on Forget this network. Restart your Wi-Fi router. Reconnect to the Wi-Fi network again. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turning aeroplane mode on. Waiting for a few seconds. Turning aeroplane mode off. A network refresh can help solve the issue. 4. Disable VPN. Open the Settings app on your device. Look for the option VPN and toggle it off. Some VPN servers can cause a 403 forbidden error. 5. Log out and log back into Gmail. Launch the Google Chrome browser. At the top right, tap on your profile icon. Sign out of your Gmail account. Wait for a few minutes. Then sign in again. This can refresh your Google account session. 6. Reinstall Google Chrome. Press and hold the Chrome app icon. Tap on Remove app. Select Delete app. Confirm by tapping Delete again. After deleting, open the App Store or Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Google Chrome. Download and install the app again. Reinstalling Chrome can completely fix corrupted app issues. So, these are the best ways to fix the 403 forbidden error in Google Chrome.